Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? My name is Juan Hippolyte, and this morning I want to take a few minutes to talk about sales within the Haitian community. I mean, Haitians in general, whether you're in America, whether you're in Haiti, or whether you're living somewhere else. This morning we're going to talk a little bit about sales. I mean, as a Haitian, right, you have a great country. You have so many resources that can help the country get out of poverty. But how do you sell those resources, right? How do you promote them to get other countries or other people or investors to come to Haiti and invest in the resources that you have? Think about this, right? Imagine that you have a world that is so busy with everything that's going on, whether it's news, whether it's music videos, whether it's elections, so there's always something going on. So with a world so busy, so distracted with different informations, what do you think going to happen when you're telling this population or the world that you are poor? Do you think the world buys poverty? No. The world doesn't buy poverty. The world buys gold, oil. The world buys sugar. The world buys, things that have value. You understand? So if you're telling the world that you're poor, the world doesn't hear your story. The world has enough, the world hears enough, right? About Africa being poor, about, Haiti being poor, about this other country being poor. So the world doesn't care about your poverty. And it's not just about Haiti, it's about most other poor countries. So don't try to sell the world your poverty, but try to sell the world what you can offer, the resources that you have. That's what the work is about. You tell the world that you have gold and oil in Haiti, the world will come to you. You tell the world that you have those resources, such as Palais Sans Souci, For Liberté, you know what I'm saying? La Citadelle, État de Somat, and you want to promote those things so you can create businesses, so you can increase your tourism. This is the kind of thing you do. You don't promote to the world that I am poor, give me a few bags of rice, so I can feed my other little Haitians. The world doesn't care about that. Every investor, right, if they spend $1, they expect to get a return on it. The world is looking to invest and get something in return. That's how the world works. People don't care about your poverty too much. All right? So when you cry that you're poor, so people have an option. They can either give to you, or they can say, I don't feel like donating to this person or this country today. So it is important to talk about sales. It is important to talk about advertisement. It is important to talk about marketing. So is that something that the poor countries understand? I don't think they fully understand the concept of marketing, the concept of selling, right? The concept of branding. Branding. That's one thing that Akon talked about, I think, during a conference he had in Africa. For the youth, for the African youth. We were talking about rebranding Africa. You need to work on your brain. What is Haiti? When we talk about Haiti, what is it? Is it a poor country? Is it a country that has a few resources? Is it a country where people who live in Haiti are smart? What is Haiti? When you say Haiti, what does it mean to somebody who doesn't really know much about Haiti? All they heard on the television is Haiti is a poor country. Haiti was the first black republic, to get its freedom. That's all they heard. But besides that, what else do they know about Haiti? I mean, young Haitians around the world, wherever you live, I don't know, we need to start working on rebranding Haiti, just like Akon said. Not only that, we need to learn how to promote Haiti. We need to learn how to sell Haiti. Generation Gold and Oil. Haiti has oil, Haiti has gold. That's what it is when somebody sees that flag. But trying to sell Haiti as a poor country is not going to help, because people don't care about poverty that much. People don't buy poverty. People just don't buy poverty. It's sad. But people buy resources, right? Resources. So it is important for me to do this video because it's something that I've been thinking about a lot. And I'm currently writing a book called Generation Gold and Oil, but it's in Creole. It's called Génération L'Or Agricole. Therefore, it is important to put these little mini videos out there so young Haitians around the world can understand that it's up to you to rebrand your country. It's up to you to promote your country. It's up to you to find out the resources that your country have, right? The possibility, all right, that your country have in order for people to come to invest in your country. All right, my name is Warren Hippolyte. That's what I got for you. My hope is that as young Haitians, you'll read books about marketing. You'll read books about selling, and how to best promote your country and your people, your culture. That's all it is. Until next time, we'll talk a little bit more. Have a good one. If you have questions, please post them on the video. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Until next time, bye.